In this video, we're going to look at how you can add badges to new customers in your roster so you can track their journey throughout the intro offer. In order to set this up, first we're going to create a custom field under your contacts and forms. So head over here and you'll create one that's a number type by add a field and adding a name and then also selecting that it's a number. Now it is not required at the checkout at all, and this is only to show up the value between the days. So the reason why we're using the number, because we're going to use within an automation a custom field math, which will add more numbers into it. So the idea is day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way to day 14. If this is a 14-day or 2-week intro offer, it will disappear once it's not within these numbers. Once you created your custom field, you can head over to your automations and create a brand new one. And this one is going to be a intro offer status badge automation. You can actually do this once per contact or multiple times if someone repurchases it, but usually a client is only a new client once. And the trigger for this is purchasing the intro offer. So we're looking for that specific package that you have created. It could be also a membership, but it would be that intro offer that you have set up for your business. And then we're also going to look at a condition, which we're going to check if this package is going to expire within the next 2 weeks. Because the idea is that you could decide if an intro offer is starting to count back from the day of purchase or the first use. And the first use doesn't mean the day of the registration, but it is the day of the event. So they could possibly register on Monday for a Friday class, but the countdown won't start till that Friday, even though they started theoretically using the package on a Monday. Then we're also going to add an advanced filter, which is looking to see actually that custom field that we have created is less than or equal to 14, because they are still within that intro offer sequence. Then we want to look for that. If so, then we can add our math into it. This is an action called custom field math. You're going to look for that number, so the intro offer status, increment by 1, because each day there's a new day. So you're going to add day 1, day 2, day 3, and then we're going to wait for a day after that. So you just add a normal fixed delay for 1 day. And then we're going to add a jump step because we want to loop this till it's 14. And we chose this advanced filter, which is basically going to check if the amount has surpassed that 14 or not. If it has exceeded, then it will go into this false branch and will not add more. And then it will be that day 15. If you want, you can add extra steps in here. You can still add an extra step, for example, incrementing it by another one. So it shows 15 in the tag, making it disappear from your roster or next to the client's name as well. You can use this for any other increments as well. Maybe you're not necessarily looking for daily increments, but weekly if you have a month-long intro offer, or maybe you want to build this inside your milestone automation as well. So you can basically add these steps within existing automations as well. Hope this helps.